Vaccination status.
India recorded 67,699 new COVID-19 cases and 3,863 new deaths till 9:30 p.m. on June 13. The country has so far reported a total of 2,95,12,862 cases and 3,71,440 deaths. Tamil Nadu reported 14,016 new infections, followed by Kerala, 11,584, and Maharashtra, 10,442. Maharashtra recorded 2,771 new fatalities, followed by Tamil Nadu, 267, and Kerala, 206. Maharashtra's fatalities include backlog deaths, which were missed in the previous reports. The figures do not include cases and deaths from Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Tripura, and Ladakh. The data are sourced from the respective states' health bulletins.
Faster vaccination needed.
Around 19 lakh samples were tested in the country on June 12, the results for which were made available on June 13. About 34.84 lakh vaccine doses were administered in the country in the 24 hours ending 7am. On June 13, it is 50,476 doses more than what was recorded in the previous 24 hours. It is also 1.3 lakh doses more than what was recorded during the same period a week ago. The 7-day rolling average of daily vaccinations in the country continues to increase. It stood at 30.14 lakh on June 12, which is more than the 26.96 lakh recorded a week before, June 5. About 21.8% of adults in India, 42.1% of those aged above 45, and 45.9% of people aged above 60 had been administered at least one dose of a COVID-19 vaccine until 8 p.m. on Sunday. While 15% of the country's population has received at least one dose, only 3.5% are fully vaccinated. The figures are based on the estimated population in 2021.
Vaccinated across the globe.
The share of people who are fully vaccinated in comparable economies such as Brazil, Russia, and South Africa is 11.07%, 9.78%, and 0.81%, respectively. Among neighboring countries, about 2.57% of Bangladesh's population is fully vaccinated, while the figure for Pakistan and Sri Lanka stood at 1.29% and 2.02% respectively. India continued to record the highest number of daily cases in the world, with 90,090 average daily infections on June 12. The two other countries with the highest case count after India are Brazil, 66,770 cases, and Colombia, 25,384. 24% of the world's average daily cases were recorded in India on June 12.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Major General Rajesh Sahai, and I am part and a consultant of UPSC Lounge. We are going to train you. We are going to train you to ensure and assure that you get through the IAS. How are we different from the rest of the people? See, I have a note in front of me. I have crushed this note. It's a 500 rupee note. I open this note and I make it absolutely straight. The wrinkles and the crinks in this note have been removed, right? The value of the note remains. You are the value, and we are going to dig deep into you. Absolutely dig deep. And what does the dig stand for? D is our training is going to be deliberate, inspired, and G, we will make you grow. It is going to be a life-changing experience. I spent 40 years in the army. I have learned the tricks of the trade. I am also a board member of the UPSC, and I have been an examiner of all the CSE papers. So I know what is required. Join us and you shall make it. That is my assurance. Jai Hind.